Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak fries. First, select large russet potatoes, as their high starch content is ideal for a crispy exterior and fluffy interior. Wash and scrub them well, then peel them if desired, though leaving the skin on adds flavor. Cut each potato into thick, uniform strips, approximately 1/2 inch wide. Soaking these cut fries in cold water for about 30 minutes helps remove excess starch, which is key for achieving that perfect crispiness. Next, blanch your potato strips. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and carefully add the fries, cooking them for about 5 minutes until slightly tender but not fully cooked. Drain them thoroughly and using paper towels, pat them completely dry. This step is crucial for crispiness. Then, in a large bowl, toss the dried fries with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, ensuring an even coating. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Now it's time for the first fry. Heat a neutral oil, such as canola or vegetable oil, in a deep pot or Dutch oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add the potato strips in small batches to avoid overcrowding, which can lower the oil temperature. Fry them for 5 to 7 minutes until they are pale and slightly softened. Remove the fries from the oil and place them on a wire rack to cool completely, ideally for at least 30 minutes. Finally, for that ultimate crispiness, we do a second fry. Increase your oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Return the cooled steak fries to the hot oil, again in small batches, and fry them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. They should turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy. Once done, remove them from the oil, drain them briefly on paper towels to absorb any excess oil, and serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy your perfect homemade steak fries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.